Good morning, second grade. Welcome to our last week of writing for Summer Academy. It is finally time to work on our final projects. On Thursday and Friday of last week, you chose which underwater creature you wanted to focus on this week for our writing assignment. Each of you is going to have a slide that looks just like this, and I pulled Scarlett's as an example. Scarlett chose the sea lion, and as we write today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, I will add what you submit to your slide. Thursday, we'll use that time to edit our writing, and then Friday during morning meeting, we will go through our presentation and present to each other our writing. So for our final research project, you're going to have a written assignment. It'll have an introduction with a hook, 4 key details. You could tell things like its habitat, its appearance or what it looks like, and food it may eat, and then end with a fun fact. In your writing, you will end with a conclusion to tie up your writing. Also, for our final project, you're going to submit a visual that can either be something that you draw and take a picture of, a 3D model of your animal you create and take a picture of, or even just finding images or pictures online. I created an example for us to go through so you can see kind of what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle to do your work. I'm looking for you to do your work. So make sure that after you've talked to your family, you're the one that's creating and writing. So on Friday, when we went to the Shedd Aquarium, an interesting animal that they had at the Shedd Aquarium was the Wobbegong shark. So I chose to research more on the Wobbegong. Have you ever heard of the Wobbegong shark? The Wobbegong shark, also known as the carpet shark, is one of the most interesting underwater creatures. These sharks live on the ocean floor where they are camouflaged among the rocks and plants. This helps them ambush or attack smaller fish, so they are considered predators. The Wobbegong shark has sharp teeth and a strong jaw to eat things like lobsters, crabs, and octopuses. This shark can grow up to 4 feet long. The Wobbegong shark will only live for about 2 years, and moms can have up to 20 pups at a time. The Wobbegong can be kept as a house pet, so maybe someday I will have an aquarium with one in the tank. If you look closely at my writing, the green section is my introduction. I used a question for my hook to get the reader's attention. Then I wrote about 4 facts or details about the creature, the Wobbegong shark, that I chose. Finally, the blue section is my conclusion. It wraps up my writing and tells why I'm so interested in the Wobbegong shark. Next, for my visual, I drew a picture of the Wobbegong shark. I used a YouTube video to help me with my drawing, and then I labeled the different parts of my shark. I also found a few images online that I thought were really interesting. So for today, your job is to write your introduction. Make sure you make it capture the reader's attention with a hook. Mine is in green below in case you need an example. I look forward to seeing all of your introductions in Seesaw and adding them to your slide in our presentation. See you tomorrow.